Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Toy Joy together, step by step. A toy shop is full of maths. We'll count money, add up prices, and work out the change. We have coins of 1, 2, 5, and 10 rupees. The same amount can be made in different ways. 10 rupees is 2 5s or 5 2s. To find the total cost, add the prices. A ball at 15 and a car at 20 come to 35 rupees. If you pay 50 rupees for a toy costing 35, your change is 50 minus 35, 15 rupees. To recap, coins make amounts in many ways. Add prices for the total, and change is what you paid minus the cost. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.